Bonsoir. So you remember we did a day in the life of a realtor before where I got my lockbox? Here's another one. It's another sale. Hallelujah. Yay. So my lovely seller, this is her. Look at this lovely neighborhood. Sorry, you can hear me better. I'll just flip it. So this is the backyard. It's kind of an interesting triangular lot here. Lovely brick house. She had a deck put in. The roof was redone. It's right by the train tracks. It's in Chicago, in the Ashburn neighborhood near 80th and Kedzie. So I just got my lockbox. And look at it. Beautiful brick. She had a beautiful garage done here on her corner lot. Look at all that lovely brick. New windows put in. So my the folks that bought it are going to just have a lovely house to live in. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. Look at all the so typical 50s 60s Chicago, right? Look at all those brick homes. Look at lovely blocks. I'm very pleased. Another house sold. I was very happy. It's my client, and yeah, I'm gonna just take a few photos and I'll be done.